trench like we stay in the trench like rapping the bitch like rapping put up on my phone all this shit like say something that I know my rap songs that I do. Man, nobody play my song. The niggas I even say I fuck with. None of them play my song. They just wrote me like they know I do rap, but none of them play my song. That shit bothered me too hard. That's one thing that bothered me too much. And they just don't know this fake shit. One day nigga might blow like that, and you don't see everybody doing fake smile and all this shit. That's when you gonna hear a nigga and then like you don't want so many niggas around him. They gonna say he got money, he change. Man, I ain't changing nothing. If I got money, I feel that love niggas